She chewing. Oh, nothing. Stop. Alright, zooming up in the camera. Got a monster chewing the skunk. Good, good. She chewed the can? She's got this obsession of chewing tuna cans. And then she's got Zoe doing it. Zoe thinks it's a game. What's she doing, Zoe?